Drinking tea or warm lemon water mixed with honey is a time-honored way to soothe a sore throat. But honey alone may be an effective cough suppressant, too. In one study, children aged 2 and older with upper respiratory tract infections were given up to 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters of honey at bedtime. The honey seemed to reduce nighttime coughing and improve sleep. In fact, in the study, honey appeared to be as effective as a common cough suppressant ingredient, dextromethorphan, in typical over-the-counter doses. Since honey is low cost and widely available, it might be worth a try. However, due to the risk of infant botulism, a rare but serious form of food poisoning, never give honey to a child younger than age 1. And remember, coughing isn't all bad. It helps clear mucus from your airway. If you or your child is otherwise healthy, there's usually no reason to suppress a cough.